Hi guys, what's up? Like I said, I was doing a giveaway.
Not even a giveaway, it's a borrow thing. You just get to borrow it for a day or two.
Well, if you live out of town, I might give you for 4 days. So, I'm giving away,
What if they don't give it back?
and they'll just comment their YouTube videos.
What if they don't have a YouTube channel?
No, but they can't subscribe if they don't have a YouTube channel.
Okay, they don't have to be subscribed for a giveaway.
So, whoever wants this, comment first. So, in 1, 2, 3. Like up down here, subscribe
What are
up
you
here.
doing?
What?
It doesn't work.
And
It only
they
works
are
for
right there.
computers.